Hey YouTube. Been a while since I've done a video, but I want to introduce y'all to my new project. This is Old Sun. It's a 1990 Jeep Wrangler YJ, and there's a side view and a front view of it, what it looked like when I got it. But Old Sun has some issues. There is some rot on the frame, but I'm going to fix all that. I'm going to show y'all how I do it. I ordered some parts from a company called Taboo Customs, and they're plates that you cut out the bad section, you weld them in. Anyway, I'm just still showing y'all some of the rot on the frame here, and I'm doing this kind of in a strange way. I'm just talking into my phone while these pictures are being shown, and I have some regular video towards the end here. But anyway, this is what it looked like when I got it. This is the stuff that I started fixing on it. And I'm gonna take y'all all the way through this Jeep project and show y'all different things as I go that I fix and upgrade and all of that. But I've got the fuel tank out. We're redoing all that too. Alright, this is Old Sun. We are deep into repairs. I've got some still pictures of the frame repair on the rear that I've been doing on the rear of the frame, back there where it rusted out. Now you'll be able to see from the steel frames pictures that I took what it looked like before. This is what it looks like the frame repairs after. Excuse the noise and the lighting. Just doing the best I can here. Here's the passenger side. I'm rebuilding the cross member right now. Anyway, this is what it looked like before. You can see I hadn't got the top welded in yet, but I got it welded up there, kind of tacked up. I had the two big holes in each side. I've done one side already. Got it going. I gotta make a piece for here to weld in, and then I'll start building the bumper. Anyway, I still got the frame shackles unhooked. Everything I got new. It's kind of hard to video this. I've got new bushings and new sleeves to put in there, and I had a bunch of other footage and it got lost. So anyway, I'm trying to document this project from here. Anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey, got her all painted up. I'm putting new bushings in the spring, so that's just temporary to hold it there. I got it all painted up. I put new bushings in the top of the shackles. There's gonna be my bumper mounts. There's a back cross member I showed y'all before. Here's the other side. My magnet's still stuck on it. I need to get that off. Anyway, I've put new brakes on it. I had to replace the wheel cylinder and the brake line on this side. Next, we're going to do this section up here where the Nerf bars bolt up. It's going to be a fun little project when I get done. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed it. There'll be another part of this Coming soon.